Welcome into the video. I'm your tech guy Wayne, and today I want to show you how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S24 so you can use it with any carrier. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the phone app and make sure you're on the keypad. You're going to type in *##06 and then pound. That's going to show you your IMEI information. You'll simply need to write down the first number at the top here. We're going to use that in the next step of the video. We're going to then hit our home button and then go to Google Chrome to the website, theunlockingcompany.com, so we can fill out a few prompts, starting with the manufacturer, which will be Samsung. Next, the model, which is going to be Galaxy S24. So we'll swipe all the way up to the Galaxy S section. Next, we're going to tap Unlock Phone. On the next screen, it's going to ask you some questions about where you purchased the phone. So swipe up, and starting with the country, United States, carrier is going to be AT&T. Here it will give you a price. It'll also give you the average turnaround time for when you'll get your delivery of the final unlocking instructions. You'll need to enter the IMEI of your phone here. Now use the number we got in the first step of the video. That's what you're going to type in right here. You'll want to add it to cart, and then you'll simply check out, and then that's when that clock starts of from 1 hour to 72 hours of when they'll get back to you with the final unlocking instructions. Now I wanted to draw your attention to the top of the screen, which is where I think some helpful information is that you should know about, which is there is a phone number, a number to text, an email address, and a WhatsApp number. So you have 4 different ways to contact the company if you have any issues after they send you those unlocking instructions. So you've got just a direct line of communication to get any issues resolved. So I love that they have that, and the company has a great rating system in terms of just people's satisfaction for using the service. So once you get your unlocking instructions, you will need a SIM card of the new service you'd like to use the phone for. Here I have a T-Mobile SIM card. And then you'll also need your SIM tool, which will come in the box of the phone. Now, if you don't have the box of the phone, you probably don't have this, no problem. Simply get a paper clip and bend it back. You can use that to pop out the SIM card. After you follow the instructions, you'll take out the SIM card, put in your new SIM card of the service you'd like to use with the phone, and you should be good to go. All right. Hope you guys found this helpful. If it was, hit that like button down below. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care, and as always, have a good one.